are prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content, and try to like and share these channels to your network so that YouTube will push us to a level of audience. In today's topic, we should be talking about volatility 25 1S, Crash300, volatility 75, index, outlook and forecast for potential investors. So this is the topic we're going to discuss, and make sure you watch the video to the end so that you will either try to invest certain amount of money in our investment scheme, or you join our VIP to actually trade these signals, or you can enroll for our courses to actually do the same thing we do, to produce signals the same way we do. Okay, so right here I will start with a volatility 25 1S. Okay, I will go to plain chart analysis so that we start this right away. So we have this is the asset, so we start from the monthly time frame analysis. Okay, now this is the monthly outlook. The market set into a downtrend. Now this downtrend is a retracement, not a change of trend in the month. It should be a retracement in the month, but there is limits to that. So it has both a retracement attribute and impulsive attribute. So we can expect a reaction to this level. Price, the market can buy to this level. Remember that market is kind of a regime. So it was a bull market that reaches this maximum price, which is over 600,000, and then it start dropping. And because of the impulsive nature of this movement, how the market impulsively moved from this low to this high, that what made it to retrace small and then push up again, but it couldn't take out the high, the previous high, and then that is a sign of a massive change of trend and character. But the trend is still, it is a kind of partial change in trend, because the market is still trading outside this level. So this level is still trading, like it's still respecting this level. So there is a probability that this market is going to go up to this level, because the uptrend is still active. It may not be possible for this market to crash down to here, but it might be possible for it to go up and then continue going down. So we have a partial change in trend, but we haven't confirmed whether this change in trend is going to hold. So we still have a bullish perspective on this volatility 25 1S. Okay, so if it break below this zone, then it is coming to this zone. But if it keep rejecting in other time frame, if it keep rejecting from this zone, then we should position for a buy and then take our profit towards this price. Okay, so this is the outlook for this asset in the month. So for other time frame, I will not go for other time frame. I just want to do the monthly. I just want to run only the monthly. At least from there you will know the direction where you are going to be heading, and then you can go to lower time frame and get your interest. But all these signals we are going to relay in the VIP, so you don't miss out. Right now the next asset is Crash300. The next asset is Crash300. So look at Crash300, and this is the monthly time frame. Okay, so the outlook is here. We draw this resistance zone. So if price break it, if we break this resistance and give us some pullback, then we shall be taking Crash 300 to a price of 20,000. And if you actually invest, if you can be able to position with one lot size, you'll be cashing out over $12,000. Okay, so but if it keep rejecting from this zone, then it means that it's heading down towards this support level here. It's heading down towards this support level. So this is the review for Crash 300 in the month. Okay, the next asset is volatility 75 index. Volatility 75 index. Okay. Okay, this is volatility 75 index in the monthly time frame. We have a last resistance. This is a very strong resistance in the month. So this is a very strong resistance in the month. So market is retracing towards that zone. Okay, so what will happen is that we should be looking for more opportunity to take this market to this level. Okay, we still have around 55,000 pips. So if we can get some strong key levels in the lower time frames, then we can buy this asset. But once it managed to reach this zone, then we should look for sell. It's definitely going to react back and sell. Okay, and it's going to sell maybe towards the midpoint of the total movement, maybe towards here or to this low. Okay, so that is the outlook. Try to join our VIP, try to enroll for our courses, try to be active with us, and then you're gonna see a lot of financial freedom in your life. Bye for now.
You've got it if you're prepared to break the cycle.